sometimes you have to get captured just to get a straight answer out of somebody. It's a long story, but basically I'm a bit of a hero. See, I spent some time on Earth. Fought some robots, saved the planet a couple of times. Then I met you. How much longer do you think we'll be here? The ruins, and you, Surtur, are at the center of all of them.
Then you have seen Ragnarok, the fall of Asgard, the great prophecy.
Hang on. I'll be back around shortly.
To my full might, I will tower over the mountains and bury my sword deep in.
Oh, really big and set fire to a planet would be quite the spectacle. But it looks like I'm gonna have to choose option B, where I bust out of these chains, knock that tiara off your head, and stash it away in Asgard's vault.
You cannot stop Ragnarok. Why fight it?
Because that's what heroes do. Wait, I'm sorry, I didn't time that right.
Is that important?
You girls are in for a treat. Well. I'm sorry, I tried to rule Earth. I'd be lucky to have you. I'm sorry about that thing with the Tesseract. I just couldn't help myself. I'm a trickster. He's so mischievous. Sorry about that time. I turned you into a frog. It was a wonderful joke.
It was indeed evidence.
You are the savior of Asgard. Tell me my story. Build a statue for me. We'll build a big statue for you. With my helmet on, with the big bendy horns. I will tell Father what you did here today.
He brought peace to the realm. Loki, my boy. It was many moons ago I found you on that frostbitten battlefield. On that day, I did not yet see in you Asgard's savior, no. You were merely a little blue baby icicle. That
Father?
It's just a silly dream. Signs of an overactive imagination.
Possibly. But then I decided to go out there and investigate. And what do I find but the 9 realms completely...
Respect our neighbour's freedom.
Yes, of course. The freedom to be...
Rather busy myself.
Watching theatre.